Hello guys, this is Jatin Shrivastava with Online SEO Blog. Today we will write a journey towards getting an interview call for the internship. I understand amid the COVID-19 situation, time is tough. We are applying for the internship, we are applying for the job, but not getting the interview call. Here I am to help you out with this tough situation. Ready for the good news? Knowing how to get internship isn't rocket science. You have got several weapons in your arsenal to help find an internship fast. Applying for internship for some students is so easy. What they used to do on a job post, they used to write interested, or they used to write hi, or they used to write a plus symbol, wondering that the recruiter is going to contact them in that way. This is a foolish way of just getting your personal details in order to target you to sell some paid solutions. Trust me, do not ever entertain such post. Second is, other experts, what they used to do, they used to send pre-formatted template or messages in the inbox of the recruiters, thinking, yes, I am the champ. Now I will get the interview call, and this is what happened to them. Guys, you need to understand the math. Well, SpongeBob, thank you so much for your attention. Guys, you must pay similar type of attention as well. Now coming back to the topic. For a single internship, there is generally a ratio of 1:50. Now what this 1:50 means? Means one internship or around 50 eligible candidates get selected for the last level filtering. Hence, it's quite common that we never heard back from the recruiter about the status of our internship if we have not applied strategically. In the next few minutes, we will learn the tips to apply strategically for internship to get interview call. Second, we will explore the relevant sources to find relevant internship. First point here I would like to discuss that this process is going to be time consuming. But trust me, this is going to be fruitful as well. If you are in a rush, go ahead, check the description section. All the relevant internships have been there along with the link. Just apply to them in a traditional way and sit back and wait for the interview call. Alternatively, stick around with us, and watch this video till the end. First point, which is very important, is to update your LinkedIn profile with the relevant set of knowledge that is prerequisite of a job, responsibility and role. Make your headline relevant, make your summary relevant, make your experience relevant, make your skill set relevant over the LinkedIn section. Go to your LinkedIn, go to view profile and fill all the details relevant to the job that you are seeking. Here's a short trick to do it very easily. Review any job posting based on your interest and just pick those responsibilities and then mold it in a way and put it in your LinkedIn profile section. How to do it? Just contact me here. I will help you out. Grow relevant network and engage. Now, once you have a strong LinkedIn profile, second step is to grow your relevant network. Show off is a must. You need to show off that I have the relevant skill set to the recruiters and to the other relevant persons. How you can do it? You can engage with their post. If they have posted something relevant, you can maybe inbox them any stats related to the position you are seeking for. Okay, now once you have a good relationship with the recruiter or the concerned person, you can ask for referrals. You people might have heard that because they have a reach to the ministers, they got the contract. Any X or Y company, because they have the reach to the minister, they got the contract. This is the power of referrals. Once you set the tone by engaging with the HR post or any concerned person post or inboxing them something which is relevant to them, once you have set the tone, once you have initiated the conversation, then down the line ask them for a referral that I can see a job posting available at your site, or do you have any job role currently available for me? This is my skill set and this is type of job which I required. Now curate your responses. Every time you initiate a conversation, go with a human touch. Do not ever use the templates and send them across to multiple person. If you are, just sending out 2 or 3 inboxes to, by bringing human touch, the responses rate is going to be high. Last thing, once you have everything sorted, it's time to build a resume and personalized cover letter in order to get the job done. So this is it from my side regarding investing time and building your reputation before applying for the internship. In the end, these are the various internships through which you can apply. First one is the Google search operators. Guys, if you search over the Google with the operator like internship, then write A and D and then like part-time or full-time or students like this, then you will get so many related result and relevant result. Here is a website that can help as well. Internships.com is also a relevant website. They have various remote and US and UK based internships. LinkedIn is a must to have tool, for the internship. There are various ways through which you can get a job. One we just discussed: engaging, posting, sharing, and inboxing. Second is finding, commenting on the relevant tags. Internshala is also one of the best medium. Now guys, I'm also planning to make part 2 of this video where I will be implementing all the strategies we discussed practically, and you will see the real power of LinkedIn in getting jobs and internships. For the same, I have set the target of reaching 100 likes on this video and 150 subscribers on my channel. Once I have it, I will make a practical oriented video presentation. Thank you so much. Stick around and bye bye.